Clemmy channel, yay! Warning, warning, there will be a lot of shouting and yelling in this video. Please lower down your volume. Warning, warning, warning. Hi guys, welcome to Clemmy channel. Today we're opening up with, shouties?
Yellies.
Yelly. So that's it. Rip it up. Where did I rip it again? Oh! Lose the pug. So the pug was right here.
You need to cut?
I think so. Or maybe this is a hard thing. It is. It's a hard thing though.
Be careful.
How? It's a hard thing. How could I do this? It's all fair.
Do you need help?
Yeah.
And you just twist it like this.
What?
Yeah.
I was just hold. I kept trying to twist it. It didn't work.
Twist.
One of them is called fuzzball.
This one's called Wiggly Wriggles.
Yes, I know. It's wiggly wiggle. What? It didn't work.
Turn it on.
Okay.
Turn it on.
How? How do I work on it? Rah! That's so funny, Mom. You fell. Fell.
Tell them that it moves when you
It moves when you shout. Like
It
that.
moves faster.
What's it?
It moves faster when you shout.
Why? How does it? What is shouting right now? What's happening?
It really moves.
What?
It's just that when you shout.
Wow! Hee! I tricked you. Foul! Shit! Oink! Oink! I said oink. Touch! Touch! Oink! Are you all okay, little Spidey? Ow. Ow! You hurt me! Whoever makes the spider go on their side is the loser, okay? Go, spider, go! No! It didn't count. Go, spider! Big mommy lose! Go, spider! It went on your side, you lose. You'll never win! You'll never win! No! It went on your side again. Okay, whoever makes it to the other, who makes the spider go on their side is the winner, okay? No. Go, spider! Go, spider! No! Yay! I got this, I thought. Go! I forgot it turned the other way, so you won. You won, Mom. You know how?
How?
Whoever makes the spider go on their side is the winner. Is that good? Okay. Where's the go? Go! You try to hold the spider and face it the other way. Go, spider, go! Go, spider, go! It's kissing! It's kissing me! It's kissing me! Ah, look. It's kissing me! Ah! It's really kissing you. Oh! Oh, no, I'm good. I can feel my hair in my mouth. I can air in my mouth. Oh, the guy oh my god. Mommy, say boo!
Boo.
Supposed to say loudly, shout, so let's yell.
I don't like that. I don't like that.
I kissed it. Why am I so... Why am I so slow? Do you know how?
This Clemmy's not shouting.
I'm going backwards too. Ah! Ow! Are you okay, little bug? I'm okay. Don't go backwards. Oh, you can't escape now. Oh, you can't now. Oh, the baby, no, you can't escape. La 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 la. La la. Oh, it's attacking me. Whoever makes it to the spider's gonna choose who's the imposter. Whoever side he goes into, they're not the imposter, okay? You're not the imposter. Okay. Happy birthday, Daddy. Happy birthday, Daddy. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to Daddy. Hi guys, welcome to Clemmy's channel. Today we're opening Robo Cockroach. Ooh. Well, let me show you some positions which could happen. This is how it looks like. This is how it looks. Even if you punch when it's coming to your hands, then it'll go in a different way, of course. RoboAlive. Where is it going? Hiya. Do we open it? No, we have to open it. Oh my gosh! It's real cockroach. Could someone give me scissors? Oh, ow, we're stuck. See, told ya. Told you I need scissors. Oh. Wait. Okay, let's cut under like this. There you go. One strap done. There's a RoboAlive one. He looks so disgusting. See? See that? Wait, don't go. Is this alive? Why it's called alive? I just stopped. Well, it like had question marks. Like it was like if you punch it right near it, then boom, it'll go and find this. It won't work. Oh, it goes different ways. No. Don't sacrifice. No, not me. Could cockroaches fly? How? Not done.
If you make them walk in a smooth surface, he walks faster.
Let me see. Yes, he does. He's so disgusting. Oh my gosh, he still goes. Why?
No, I don't think that works that way.
How does it scare people?
It's because it's like a real... Oh, it's gonna attack me.
Now you're stuck. You can't get out! Bye, now you're stuck. Oh! Hello, Mommy. It's a bit scary. How does it scare people? What's this? What's this, Mom, do?
It's the cover of their wings.
The cover, where's the wings?
There's none, because that's not real. Stop doing that, it will get broken.
Okay. Boring cockroach. Mommy, see, look at the
You make
instructions.
No, I read the instruction. It doesn't go that way. Take off your scissors. Take off your scissor.
Take off my scissors.
And the cockroach.
The cockroach?
Make it walk like that. Here.
Why?
Because it runs faster.
Let me see. Whoa! What are you doing? It's going in a circle. Oh my god! Oh my god!
Still disgusting, even as a toy.
Yes! Wow! It is so... Ow! It actually hurted me. Mommy, is this alive?
It's a RoboAlive.
Why is it called alive?
This is like alive.
How?
It's like a live cockroach.
How do you know? Gaga, you got pretties! Yeah, let's get these. Can I help you, mister? Ow. Why?
Nothing.
I could turn it on? Okay, so... That's not part of our video. Could you not do that? Wait, don't... Okay. Stop talking to that. Ah! Robo! Mommy? Flush! Wallow!
I don't like it.
Did you get scared?
No, I know it's a toy, but still, it seems disgusting. Let me know.
Oopsies. It's stuck! Yeah, go that way. No, circle you. Ew, look at the hairs. Is that? Ah, you hurt me. You. Stop. Let's smush him. Let's smush the cockroach. Stop. Come on, you. It looks like alive, but here's I found some gooey stuff when I opened. I went to... Wherever you aim it, it'll go that way. See them. Nope, it won't. You got scared. How across the line? How much fly lose 2. You only got 1. I got 3. I got 3 points gone. Because I have 1 trillion. Dun, dun, dun. Ah, no, no, just mommy, just mommy, just mommy. He doesn't know. Oh, no, don't choose me, don't choose me. Choose mommy. Don't choose me. I hate him so he can go to your side. Please don't let the fight.
Stop cheating.
Bye. Aw. Bye guys. I hope you enjoyed Clemmy's channel. Subscribe and give it thumbs up. Bye. Yay! Bye, Malcolm. Also subscribe and give a thumbs up. What is this real bug?